Welcome to Vietnam, a country shaped by thousands of years of wet rice civilization, from ancient river deltas to today's modern farming systems. Rice has always been at the core of Vietnamese life and culture. In the present day, Vietnam ranks among the top rice exporters in Southeast Asia and around the world, delivering high-quality grains to global markets. Here, your traditional knowledge meets advanced technology, precision leveling, drone fertilization, automated milling, and strict international quality standards. Now we invite you to explore the full journey from cultivation and harvesting to processing, packaging, and export.
Water level stabilized at calibrated inlet height.
Irrigation gate delivering controlled flow at 42 liters per second. Biofertilizer applied using 40-micron atomized droplets.
Droplet deposition uniform across leaf surfaces.
Growth cycle progressing from vegetative to reproductive phase.
Mechanical grain load reaching harvest readiness threshold.
IPM readings show pest activity within safety limits.
Ripeness confirmed using calibrated moisture probe.
Wind shear generating uniform canopy displacement.
Combine harvester engaged with 3.6 meter cutting width. Unloading auger, transferring processed grain to transport unit.
Parallel transfer synchronized for continuous harvesting.
On-field moisture reading stable at 21.6%.
Inbound load registered and linked to batch database.
Weighbridge capturing gross mass for automated net calculation. Automatic sampler extracting multi-depth core sample.
Sample prepared for impurity and moisture analysis.
Moisture meter reading stabilized between 20 and 22%.
Foreign matter level detected at 1.1%, within tolerance.
Bottom hatch opened with dust suppression active.
Conveyor routing raw paddy to low heat drying tower.
Dryer temperature holding steady at 42.5 degrees Celsius.
Heated airflow distributed across falling grain layers. Multi-tier descent, ensuring balanced moisture reduction.
Output moisture achieved at 13.8%, target reached.
Cooling cycle stabilizing grain temperature post-drying.
Elevator conveyor transferring cooled grain to silo inlet.
Silo capacity confirmed and structural status nominal.
Aeration fans maintaining internal airflow at 65%.
Thermal sensors report no hotspots detected.
Distributor valve routing grain to cleaning line input.
Vibro separator removing coarse impurities via vibration amplitude.
Dust extraction unit, capturing airborne particles. Destoner, isolating heavy contaminants through density separation. Rejected stones diverted to waste chute. Magnetic trap, capturing ferrous particles before husking.
Dehusker feeding paddy through 1450 RPM rubber rollers.
Roller pressure optimized for maximum husk removal.
Pneumatic line transporting husk to auxiliary storage. Brown rice graded on vibro-sieve for uniform sizing. Air aspirator ejecting lightweight grains at 6.5 milliliters per liter airflow. Immature grains redirected to secondary separation line.
LED inspection verifying brown rice uniformity.
Continuous flow visible through transparent transfer tube.
Flow rate displayed at 10.4 tons per hour.
Oversized separator, removing abnormally large grains.
Undersized separator rejecting sub-threshold fragments.
Bran extraction unit, collecting fine bran particles.
Micro-sieve eliminating ultra-fine impurities before whitening. Cleaned brown rice conveyed to whitening stage.
Pneumatic exhaust transferring husk to disposal truck.
Whitening chamber abrading outer bran layer under calibrated load.
Vacuum unit extracting bran dust from chamber. Grain color transitioning across multi-pass whitening cycle.
Whiteness inspected using standardized grading tray.
Silky polisher injecting 0.7% moisture mist.
Rotary drum generating uniform glossy surface. Light vapor indicates optimal polishing temperature.
Length grader separating rice via rotating cylindrical sieves.
Long grain fraction routed to primary outlet. Broken rice diverted to secondary channel.
Rice thấm collected in dedicated bin.
Holding bin filling with layered sorted grains.
Length graph updating in real time.
AI sorter initialized with multispectral camera array.
Camera capturing 35,000 grains per second. Airjet ejecting dark defective grains.
Yellow grains removed via targeted airflow pulse. Chalky grains diverted to waistline.
Purified white rice entering collection tray.
Flow meter verifying batch output mass.
Vibratory feeder regulating consistent flow.
Cross-contamination gate engaged between batches.
Indicator shows batch clean and ready.
Vacuum purification, maintaining dust-free exit zone.
Polished rice stored in controlled holding tank.
Inspection door opened for final quality check.
LED panel scanning rice for color uniformity. Grain scanner running structural integrity check. Finished rice transferred to clean product bin.
Broken rice and thấm stored in labeled bins.
Sterile lab conditions verified before analysis.
Sample transferred into sterile analysis cup.
Residue analyzer performing multi-compound screening. Microscope imaging grain microstructure for defects. Kernel length recorded at 7.4 millimeters.
Slenderness ratio measured at 3.6.
Head rice percentage calculated from 100 grain sample.
Moisture analyzer confirming 13.5% final moisture.
QA officer signing batch approval documentation.
Certificate of analysis generated for export batch.
Aroma chamber verifying sensory stability. ICP-MS test shows no detectable heavy metals.
Retention samples archived under controlled conditions.
Traceability QR printed and assigned to batch.
Automatic weigher dispensing exact 5-kilogram loads. Pneumatic clamps holding PP bag open for filling.
Controlled grain stream entering bag at constant rate. Vibration unit compacting rice for density uniformity.
High-speed stitcher sealing bag mouth securely.
Check wear confirming mass within view 2 grams.
Robotic arm stacking bags into optimized pallet layers.
Stretch film wrapper applying 42% tension. Forklift moving pallet to fumigation chamber.
Fumigation chamber sealed and pressure verified.
phosphine gas injected at 1.5 grams per cubic meter. Gas concentration decreasing to safe threshold. Treated pallet labeled with fumigated certification.
STS crane lifting sealed container onto vessel for export.
Thank you for walking with us through the fields of Vietnam, where rice is not only a crop, but a symbol of care, gratitude, and generations of love. If this story warmed your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to stay with us on future journeys filled with humanity and gentle beauty. And please share with us, where are you watching from? Have you ever tasted Vietnamese rice? How did it make you feel? Your sharing truly matters to us. And now, thank you for sharing this journey with us. Stay safe, stay inspired, and we warmly invite you to join us again in the next episode.